Hello, class. I wanted to go over a few tips to help you out with this week's lab that you will be doing. And so, first thing you need to do is you need to Google Java download in case you don't have it. And then you'll come here and you want to download Java for Windows. Okay, and then just download it. Once you've downloaded in your classroom, you are going to go to week 2, and then you're going to click on the reaction and rates. Okay, so you're going to click on that. It's going to download it. And once it's downloaded, you will have a file that's going to pop up. Okay, the reaction rates. This is a Java file, so unless you have Java, it's not going to open. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have downloaded Java beforehand, and then what's going to come up is this particular reaction. Let me reset all of this because I've been kind of playing around with it. All right, and so once you have this up, you want to go to rate experiments, and this is what you're going to see. The information that you're given for the lab, the background information and the instructions for the lab are very self-explanatory. It even gives you pictures of where everything is located. One thing I do want to mention is, for example, let's just do one so that you can see it. So you're going to set that to 10. You're going to set this to 20. And that's for the first experiment. You want to make sure that you show the stopwatch. And it's kind of a playing around. I suggest playing around with it before you start your actual experiment because you've got to begin experiment and start simultaneously, but as close as you can get to it. All right, so once you begin experiment, you want to start the stopwatch. What you're looking at is these numbers over on the right-hand side. You want that, oh, I forgot. You got to set that AB so it will actually record it. What you want to do is once you see a number appear under AB, then you want to stop your timer, okay? And so you're going to be looking over here. I don't know if I need to restart it because I didn't click AB before I started the experiment. Let me do that. All right. Okay, so let's try this again. So you want that to be at 10 for the first one, this at 20. And anytime you restart it, you have to restart everything. So you want to show your stopwatch. You want to click the bubble that says AB. All right, so you want to begin experiment and start stopwatch. So you're looking here, as soon as that hits 1, you want to stop it, okay? And you gotta play around with it so that you have the right time, okay? So you play around with this. So that says 81 seconds. So that is gonna go in your table under change in temperature. The little triangle, remember, is change in and temperature. And so you're gonna, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so on your, right here in your data table, that 81 would go in that box for your change in temperature. And you're going to do that for all the different concentrations of A and B, C. Then you're going to calculate your average rate. Your average rate equation is on that first page, where rate is equal to the change in the concentration of A over change in temperature. So you are going to take this, that 10 divided by what you get for the change in temperature. So we got 81 for this first one. And then if I take 10 divided by 81, we would get 0.12 for your average rate. Okay. So play around with this. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember, in your lab report, you do need to include these pre-lab questions. So make sure that you have those pre-lab questions in your lab reports. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.